Okay, so brows. I prefer when a brow looks natural, when it looks like the earth gave it to you, when it highlights our face and contours appropriately to our eye shape, which I know can be challenging for some people, right? But generally, if you just look at the graph that has already been made by the earth, it'll tell you everything you need to know. So when it comes to an eye pencil, I prefer something very thin that we can just lightly draw small lines and fill in blanks, right? And then something that has a nice little brush on the end to just kind of floof them up. So something thin, right? And something not super dark. We've been underneath this type of idea that our eyebrows all have to be black blocks, and that's definitely not it. So I often pick a shade that is about a half shade lighter than what your typical hair shade is, and you're just gonna do very small strokes. And you'll notice that that'll give you the best shape and the best fill-in instead of using something that's too dark. I also like when the line of your brow kind of connects to where your eyelash ends. That way it kind of creates that perfect frame, if you will. And then you'll take your little spoolie and boop, 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 and that should give you a very natural but full brow.
Now, do you think that there's an intersect between dating and makeup?
Yes, I do. I think that when we're going out on a date, we're just trying to be the best versions of ourselves, right? And whether that for makeup is highlighting your cheekbones or making your lips look nice and full or emphasizing your eyes, we're just trying to put our best foot forward and trying to be as attractive as possible. So for me, makeup and dating are pretty synonymous. I don't know most people that don't try to gussy themselves up in some kind of way. For men, putting in hair gel or wearing a corrective tinted moisturizer, and for women, obviously, we know it's a little more elaborate.
So